What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed, on the way. Told y'all I would be trying to do a little quick chronicle of picking up these Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 RMs today. On my way right now to Foot Locker to pick up. We just saw the if you want to call it a drop on the sneakers app, ridiculous, man. It was like 3,100 pairs supposedly that won't loaded on sneakers today. I was actually on a call for work and hopped on sneakers at 10:02, and the gray sold out sign was already on that sneaker. So they got gobbled up quick, fast, in a hurry. Like I said, there was definitely no draw. It was just first come, first serve, and they had no pairs hardly. So, you know, people that were looking to pick those up today, if you got a pair, you got real lucky, and you should probably go ahead and grab you a lottery ticket because you got the juice right now, the sauce. But anyway, on my way, I'll check in once I get off the road. Don't try this at home. Don't drive while recording. Actually, I'm good. I'm looking at the road, focused, being safe. But yeah, man, can't wait to get these in hand. All right, y'all, so we here. We're gonna get these kicks in hand, see what they do. We'll be rocking today. We're doing a little Kobe today. Let's get it. Nike Jam. Wow.
Last size right there, Brody.
I got a pair. I was just looking. I'm just shocked that they in here, but
Yeah, it's because those came in on a return.
wow. Anybody need any Jordans? Might be on video, do you? So you use the YouTube channel. Yeah, they clean it. Straight. Yep. Pack secured, y'all. Super pumped for these. Can't wait to get them into the lab, get that review on. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we are back in the lab, and we are just going to get right into this brand new box of goodness that we got right here. Here's the label. I want to check that out. Let me get that lined up for you. Here you go. See that there? You got the Bike Air on the box. You got the concrete driveway around the bottom, which is dope. Label says Air Jordan 4 RMSP anthracite, white and anthracite. There you go, anthracite, white anthracite. That's all it is. But you got Bike Air on top of the box, lid, which is dope. I love that. Something different, something new on the inside. And we've seen some of this on social media. We got Go. Put that over there. You get the stickers. I don't know what you're really supposed to do with these. I don't know what I'll do with them. Give them to my kids or something. We'll figure it out. Maybe if I get a bike, throw some Bike Air stickers on them. And then you got the special paper. You got the Nigel Sylvester as a kid paper all the way throughout. there. Another tissue paper inside. And then we got the shoe. Ooh, nice. Nice. See that there? It's so weird because I'm a Jordan 4 guy for sure. And seeing my Jordan 4 kind of chopped off a little lower is just different to look at. But the materials on this are really nice. The detail is really nice. Air bubble. You got your typical Jordan 4 sole. Nothing changed there. Bike Air, man. This is Bike Air by Jordan on the tongue. You can see that. The little hint of Jumpman in the back next to that Bike Air logo, which is just a dope touch on the back of that shoe. And this is just really nice in hand, man. This is really nice leather. I mean, it's nubuck, but it's different. It's not a suede per se. It's not like super suede. It's not hairy at all. It's kind of smooth like leather, but still like a tumble nubuck feel to it. And of course, you got all this kind of TPU plastic that replaces all the Jordan 4 cage and everything else that you get on the regular Jordan 4s. No wing, but you got this little baby wing on this. It's like a little baby bird wing. I don't know. A little tab in the back, which is a big step down from obviously what we normally get. And I do like the little mini swoosh on the front, like that pinky toe area. It's pretty dope. And these look dope from looking at it from the top, right? Like looking down at your feet. Looks like a Jordan 4, but just a different kind of style. And the toe box on it is kind of low, kind of like the new styling of Jordan 4s as well. I think this is solid, man. This is a solid shoe. Let me get the other shoe out. Right. Yeah, you got the black and white outsole. Black and white outsole. You've got this dark gray, the driveway gray, I guess, this anthracite. On the midsole, all the TPU, the upper itself is that dark gray anthracite. And yeah, the red mini check. And that's about it. I mean, there's not a whole lot of other detail to tell you about this shoe. You do, again, the Bike Air by Jordan on the tongue. And it has red insole. You see that? And it does come with an extra pair of laces. So it comes with the white laces as well as this dark gray laces. I like this kind of monochrome single color look, the way these look right here without the white laces. But I may switch them out just to see how they look in comparison. But overall, man, I think this is a dope shoe. I feel like I like the dark green, that fence green, because again, you're getting that full kind of monochromatic look except for the midsole in the back. And the same with this one. Those other ones where the color blocking is different, not sure how I feel about those. But yeah, I'm glad to get one of these in hand. We know this dropped today and they were gone in, I don't even know if it was 60 seconds. It was so quick. The prices on these right now aren't insane. I mean, they're in the 250, 260 range. Secondary right now, which is cool. But I think the original pair did the same and they're close to 600 bucks. But yeah, we'll see. I want to see what they do. I got a couple buddies that will pull the trigger and just, cop outright today after not hitting on the sneakers app. And that was it. Foot Locker exclusive. Foot Locker held me down. Glad it was easy pickup, no issues. Also, I do like this nylon tongue that's on the shoe as well. That's nice, a different touch. So I can't wait to get these on feet. Stay tuned, stay locked for some upcoming, on foot pics and things like that I'll be doing here and on Instagram at RealDaddySeed. Lock in. Glad to get these in hand, and let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Where you rate this 1 to 10? Is this like on your must pick up list? And do you prefer this color or the fence green? Let me know. I think this color is a lot more wearable, so these kind of rock and kind of go hard for me. I think these work. So yeah, love them. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Peace.